Hey guys, Sock here from Sock eTech, and in today's video what we're going to do is we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Buds Live in Mystic Bronze color. Now these are the latest buds from Samsung and they start at $169.99. So let's dive in and start the unboxing process right now. So let's lift up the box. Okay, let's see what we get inside. And there we have it. Okay, so we've got the Mystic Bronze Buds Live and a little box. Let's see what's in the actual box. Now basically in that little box you have a cable to charge the Buds Live, and then you have two replacement wingtips right here for the left and the right that I'm going to show you in a second on the actual Buds. Okay, now on the top part of the box there's also another little box, so let's see what's in there. And basically that is going to be the quick start guide and stuff like that. So that's this thing right here, the quick start guide for your Galaxy Buds Live. Nice little quick information for your buds. Now let's divert our attention to the actual buds. Okay, we're gonna put this right over here, and there we have it. Let's pull this out from that little sleeve, and there's that gorgeous Mystic Bronze color in matte finish, my all-time favorite color on any Samsung product. Alright, so let's do a quick tour around the actual box. Here's the battery indicator light for the actual box. On the back we have the charger, the USB Type-C charger if you want to use a cable to charge them, or as you know, if you put them on top of a wireless charger, they're just going to charge wirelessly. That's all that we have on the actual box. So let's open up the box and see what else is going on inside. Okay, so there we have the actual buds. Okay, and I do want to let you know, this light right here is the battery indicator light for the actual buds. The one on the outside is the battery indicator light for the actual case. And that completes the tour of the actual box. Now let's move on and talk about the actual earbuds. Alright, so here's the bud right here. I'm going to quickly show you guys the microphones on the outside. So we have 1 and 2 microphones on the outside of these buds. And also this is also the touch area which you're going to be touching, tapping once or twice to play, pause music or take calls. So that's going to be the touch area. And if I remove this from the actual charging box, you'll notice at the bottom we have the 2 magnetic connectors that attach to these magnetic connectors right there. And of course we have the speaker right there at the bottom. And then we have that touch sensitive area right here. But that's basically what the buds are all about. Now you'll notice that it's a shiny color, so as you touch it, you get fingerprints on it, okay? I do wish they went with the matte black finish of the actual box. I still don't understand why they keep going with a shiny finish, but it does look luxurious when it is actually clean. Alright, so let's try to put these in my ear and see how they fit. And of course, we're going to move on afterwards to set them up with my actual Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Alright, so let me grab the buds real quick, and here they are as you can see. Let me show them to you. There we go. I'm going to fit this in my ear. Let's see how well it goes inside. Okay, that was very comfortable. Now let me shake my head, see if they drop out. And they're not dropping out. That's a very good fit. I don't know how they did it. Initially, I thought it was just gonna drop out. On top of that, I think they look really nice in the ear as well. All right, so let me shake a little bit more just to make sure. Nope, they're not coming out. Let's take a closer look at them. So I would say that's the perfect look and the perfect fit, okay? So they pass the ear fit test, no problem. All right, so let's set these for the very first time. So what you need to set these up for the very first time is going to be the Galaxy Wearable application that you can find in the Play Store. You download the application, you just launch it, and then you swipe up to get started, and from the list you choose Galaxy Buds Live. You tap on that, all right, and you just say allow, and it's going to start the pair up process. It's going to be scanning for wearable devices. So let's see how long that takes. And that was basically instantaneous. So I'm going to tap on this right here. Okay. Now they're getting ready to connect. The request is here. You just say okay. Setting up your phone. And then you have to agree to the terms right here. It gives you a quick tutorial on how to wear your earbuds. I already showed you guys. It's very easy. They fit perfectly. And you tap got it. And you're all set. Now let's get dumped into the actual menu. Now one thing I'm going to mention really quickly. These Galaxy Buds Live do come with active noise cancelling option. They don't have the ambient noise option that you find on the Galaxy Buds Plus, but they have the active noise cancellation function. And right here it says we have a new version. Let me just update that. I'm going to be right back with you guys so we don't miss anything. But on the top right here, you can see that the buds are 100% charged and the box is 54% charged. So you get that breakdown on the top. Now let me just do the update. I'll be right back. All right, so we're up to date. The buds are connected to our phone. Here's the indicator for the battery charging. We have the equalizer. We got the normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. If you swipe down, here we can modify the touch controls. Remember, you tap right here to control the device. So let's go to touch controls, and then it shows you a quick tutorial. So tap to play or pause. So if I tap it, plays or pauses. Then I can double tap to go to the next track, and then I can triple tap to go to the previous track, and then I can touch and hold to activate certain functions. Right now it is set to decline a call if somebody calls me. Now I'll let you know, if you want to block touching, you can do that as well. So now it's not going to work. So that's that. I'm going to jump down here real quick, and here we have tips and a user manual. So this is very useful. If you go inside, it tells you exactly how to use them, how to wear them. So how to wear your buds, touch controls, it gives you a quick tutorial. Even you can practice the tapping, okay? You can start and you can practice the tapping. Let's tap on start. So from here, you can actually do the tutorial. I'm gonna skip that. Charging with your phone. You can use your phone if it has reverse charging to charge your earbuds. That's great. And then you have the case battery level and all that stuff. So that's the user manual for you guys. Then we have some advanced features right here. We can use the Bixby voice wake up feature by saying that word right there. I'm not going to say it right now because it's going to activate everything. And then we have the seamless earbud connection as well. And then when you go to labs, you have the gaming mode, and you also have the relief pressure with ambient sound. So if you feel stuffed or if you feel compressed as you put the buds in your ear, you can enable this and it's going to make sure you feel a little bit more relief. There's less pressure. Then we have the Find My Earbuds feature. If you lose them in the house, you tap on this, it's going to show you where they are. And if you go to General, okay, you can reset the buds to their factory default. But these things are very similar to what we have on the Galaxy Buds Plus, the software, except, like I said, for the active noise cancellation feature. This is a first in any Samsung Galaxy Buds. So if this is a feature you're shopping for, if you're listening to music and you want to block out the outside world, you want to get these. But I'll let you know right now, it does not work as good as some of the other earbuds out there like the AirPods Pro because of the design, but it does a decent job. Now, one thing I want to talk about very important is the battery life. What you get is after a full charge on the buds, not the case, on the buds, when the buds are fully charged like they're right now, 100%, they're going to give you 8 hours of battery. If you enable active noise cancellation, it's going to drop to 6 hours of battery. Then you can put them back in your case and charge them again. Now remember, the Galaxy Buds Plus actually have 11 hours of battery, so you're getting a little battery reduction on these guys. The overall sound is good and balanced. It is a winner when it comes to fitting in your ear and when it comes to the sound quality. And certainly the design definitely works. I thought it was not going to work in the beginning, but this design is a winner. It perfectly fits in your ears. So that's my quick unboxing, impressions, ear fit test. Stay tuned for more details, for more tips and tricks and information on the Galaxy Buds Live. But again, one of the biggest things that I'm loving here is the fact that they have the MAC color. By the way, when you turn off the box, they disconnect. That's usual. When I open up the box, it's going to actually reconnect immediately, okay, as you can see. And then you get the quick option. All right, any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to Saki Tech by clicking that button. And also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at Saki Tech Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.